So today's look is called Queen of the Red Carpet, featuring my fabulous lipstick, Legendary Queen. So darlings, I'm going to start off by using my miracle working magic cream. Next, I'm going to use my Magic Eye Rescue cream. So darlings, now I'm going to apply my magic foundation and I'm going to mix it with my Hollywood Flawless filter. So I'm applying this with my Hollywood complexion brush, and this is just a fantastic brush. It really gets the foundation on super quick and easy. The Hollywood Flawless filter just really does give you the most beautiful skin and makes everyone look more youth boosted and younger. So darlings, now I'm going to use my Retoucher. Retoucher is fantastic for concealing blemishes. So we're just going to pop on number 5, and I'm going to take my lovely Hollywood brush. It's fantastic, I love it. It's so kind of nimble to use. I'm now going to use my Mini Miracle Eye Wand. This has a peptide serum on one side, and then on the other side, you've got this wonderful thing. It's a real light reflector for underneath the eyes. Now I'm going to apply a Red Carpet Essential. This is my Airbrush Flawless Finish powder, and it really, really is the best powder in the world. This powder actually makes you look airbrushed. It's amazing on the red carpet, real live TV, everything. This is your best friend. It is a real pro, this. I'm using number 3 all over Mimi's face, but I like to use a slightly lighter powder underneath the eyes. I'm going to start off by doing Mimi's brows with my brow lift pencil. This is Perfect Brow, and you just pop it through. It's so easy to use. I mean, literally anyone could use this. And it just brushes up the hairs, tints the hairs. And Perfect Brow is the most amazing dark colour. It's a new colour that we've just created. Eyelash colours are so important. You can hold for like 10 seconds, and you can always repeat if you need more. Now I'm going to use Amber Haze, and this is a really beautiful soft bronze colour which I just adore, and I'm just going to scribble it on the eyelid like this. What I love about this is you get maximum effect for very little effort. This is the product for people who don't know how to do makeup. It's just heaven. Now, cream eyeshadow. This cream eyeshadow is fabulous. Eyes to mesmerise. And I take my smudge brush and dipping it into this divine shade, this bronzy gold. It just looks great on all skin tones. I'm going to go into the inner corner here, and I'm just going to do a little U-turn, and that just kind of opens it up, keeping it close to the lash line, and then blending it in. Rock and Coal eyeliner. I'm going to go actually on the outer corner, and I'm going to go right in along the lash line, and I'm going to go in a little bit along the lash line, but not all the way. And what's gorgeous about this eyeliner is that it lasts for up to 12 hours. I'm using my Full Fat Lashes mascara, and it's fabulous this because it adds volume, length and drama all in one mascara. I'm using my mascara vertically, so I actually had this tapered to be able to do the bottom lashes individually. Now I'm going to use my Hollywood contour wand, and this is fantastic for just sculpting and shaping the face. And I'm going to use my Hollywood complexion brush, and we're just literally in circular movements just going to blend this in beautifully. But it's just miraculous what this does. It really can sculpt the face. And finally we're going to come to doing the nose. Now I like to take the other tip of my Hollywood complexion brush because it sort of smooths beautifully down the nose and around the nose. So now I'm going to use my Film Star Bronze and Glow. I'm going to take my sculpting brush and dipping it into the highlight shade. This is a beautiful, dreamy, golden sunset hue. And this is something I've used a lot. I'm going to dip my blending brush into the darker Film Star Bronze and Glow. I just pop a little bit of that on top of the contour. Very pretty. Now I've got Walk of Shame lip liner, and it suits a lot of skin tones. It's sort of rose petal in heaven. I adore lip liners because not only give you sort of the perfect pout, but also they keep the lipstick from moving. So now, darlings, Legendary Queen, a lipstick that I just think is the most divine colour. It is a soft, neutral wine. This is also a fabulous colour for all sorts of skin tones and eye colours. You could pretty much put on anyone. Last but not least, I'm going to use my Cheek to Chic blusher in Climax, and I'm going to swish and pop. This is such a pretty peachy bronze. I think it's divine. I always finish off every look by spraying the magic way and using Scent of the Dream. And don't forget to give yourself a gorgeous scent halo with a trail. So there you have it, the queen of the red carpet right here.